Okay, so we're discussing about the coelom. Wait. We are done till the introductory class, and we're also done with the three types we just have. So I'm just giving you a little overview. We know we were having coelom, which means absence. A, whereas you see the word A, which means absence. So the absent of the cavity, you can just say. And coelom. Second was coelom. Then the third one we were having was coelom. Because I'm just going to give a little overview of these. Just because I have discussed that in the last video, I'm going to discuss third. A here is absence. Absence, pseudo means false, and the two literally means like that is present, that is actually. So here pseudo is absence of the cavity, or there will be no cavity between body wall, and the pseudo, which means there will be a cavity, but that would not be lined with what? Mesoderm. And mesoderm, as we discussed in the germ layers video, like we have three germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Mesoderm was the second, like it was second layer, or the second, yes, layer, we can just say second layer. And the third one was endoderm. So when in the pseudocoelom they have the cavity, in this acoelom no cavity, no cavity. Okay, this is differentiate between them. So in this one no cavity, in pseudocoelom we have the cavity, but that is not lined with the mesoderm. In the true coelom we have the cavity plus that is lined with the mesoderm. Is that's why we just call that as a true, because everything is present in this layer. Okay, I just told you a little difference between them. Now if I just write pseudocoelom was remaining little bit, I'm just writing cavity, which is present cavity, but there's no lining, no lining of no lining by mesoderm, no lining by mesoderm. And in this we have phylum Asalensis. Okay, we are having phylum. So if I just make it to explain you a little better, if this is the body, this around with the body wall, here in the middle we have the alimentary canal. So this here it would be layering, like in the pseudocoelom there would be no layering, like this layering would be absent, and the layering would be of mesoderm. In the coelom we will not even find the cavity, but in two coelom, now let's discuss two coelom. So in this we have the cavity which is lined by mesoderm on both sides, cavity lined by mesoderm on both sides. What does both side means here? So let me just discuss. If this is the body, here we have the body wall. Okay, I'm just not making completely. Here if you have the alimentary canal. Okay, here we have the alimentary canal. So here, like near this cell wall, there would be also a covering. Here you will also find covering or the layering with the lined with the mesoderm. And you will also, if this is the alimentary canal, on this one side you will also find some kind of layering that would be also of the mesoderm. So that's why we just call each other both sides, just because the layering. This was the body wall. This means they were present, like they have the lined body structure, the mesoderm on both sides, near the alimentary canal and near the cell wall as well. So yes, two coelom, and in this they just came, they are from and phylum Annelium and phylum Chordatum, phylum Annelium and Chordatum. And let me just tell you more that this two coelom is also known as coelomates. This is also known as coelomates. Okay, and we have the two body or the cavity in this that is completely lined with the mesoderm, as I just discussed. So yes, this was all. I'm sure you just get, but still let me just tell you something more. This is absence, this is presence, but not completely, and this is completely